now, we're proceeding right now to honor our own country here in Australia, and our country of residence, and of course, we honor our own nation, Nigeria. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, can we please respectfully be on our feet as we take the Australian national anthem? If you don't know it, you are permitted to do All right, now please, can we respectfully be on our feet as we honor our country of residence, Australia, as we take the Australian national anthem. Mr. DJ, over to you.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is God by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Nigeria, we hail thee, our own dear native land. Though tried and tongue may differ, in brotherhood we stand. Nigerians, old and proud to serve our sovereign fatherland.
Thank you. God bless Nigeria. God bless Australia. God bless each and every one of us. Thank you.